El Bosque University was founded in 1977 as Colombian School of Medicine and recognized by the government as a university through resolution in February 5, 1997. Throughout the years, it has consolidated its physical, academic, and scientific development. In the back, we have Fundadores Building, the main construction of the university, built in honor to the 24 founders and concluded 3 years ago. It is famous because of its green architecture and its cubic iron structure. We are recognized nationally and internationally for our contributions to knowledge, the quality of our programs, and the excellent performance of our graduates. We have biopsychosocial as the model approach that leads all of our activities. The PhD in bioethics, which began 5 years ago, is widely recognized as well as medical postgraduate programs. Last month, dentistry program celebrated its 30th anniversary.
This is the main meeting point in the university, Fundadores Square. It is located in the center of the university. In the back, we can see Block E, which is the tallest classroom building in the university. Back there is the main soccer field, in which many training take place, and also an important leisure space for students. Now, in the left side, we have Block A, where students from almost all programs take classes. It is full of the time.
In the university, you can find programs from different fields. We have management, education, engineering, art, medicine, and law. It is famous because of its undergraduate and postgraduate programs, based on biopsychosocial approach of learning and development. Teachers are highly qualified and investigation is strongly supported. This is a very important year for us, the year of self-evaluation. We are evaluating ourselves as university.
The university is committed to the diffusion of the work of its students. That's why last weekend, the biology program organized a photographic exhibition in Fundadores Hall with the picture of Colombian biodiversity taken by students of different semesters that were present, explaining attendance the importance of the studies that are focused on the environment preservation. It was a wonderful time for them. So, now you know a little about Bosque University, a university that consolidates as one of the most important in the country due to its commitment to quality.